Hey guys, this is Sassy. Shif, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is the start of August month, which is really special for me for so many reasons, apart from it being my birthday month. But there are so many travels planned, and August always has been, will always be special. It's the perfect rainbow weather. August to me symbolizes a very loving rainbow weather, and it is just like a happy month for me. And what better way to kickstart August 10 to bring for you all my unboxing of the Bling bag August edition, which also, by the way, is called the Rainbow Radiance Bling bag. And let's get down to unboxing this monthly bag of pretty jewelry. So the Rainbow Radiance bag comes with a beautiful bucket storage bag, which, by the way, is so cool and ideal for travel. It is waterproof. You can also carry your makeup brushes, because inside it has like makeup brushes, hooks, and spaces given for your cosmetics or for your makeup brushes. It is seriously a handy bag for more while traveling. Now let's reach out to the pieces and baubles that are a part of the August Rainbow Radiance Bling bag. The first one you already see me wearing is this beautiful statement ring. And when I think about Rainbow Radiance, when I think about August, it to me symbolizes a lot of colors, a lot of love, a lot of harmoniously put together, so many different hues and so many different vibrant shades. And this exactly has all different shades in here in one pink, whether it's yellow, 3 to 4 shades of baby pink to darker pinks to blues to ombre blues and greens. So this is like a perfect rainbow radiant statement accessory to have this monsoon. The second piece that I'm going to be reaching out to is this gorgeous stone necklace, which, by the way, I loved since the minute I set my eyes on the Bling Bag's Instagram page. This comes in 2 to 3 different colors. I have the green variant in this, but I really totally love the orange radiant color that I saw on their Insta. And this is going to be like my go-to piece this monsoon. I can throw it over any kurta, any white tee or plain tee, and you're good to go. The third bauble that I have are these beautiful dangling earrings. Again, an ideal statement earring to own in your jewelry box. And again, like I say this every month, one of the best part about having statement pieces from the Bling bag is that they look big and chunky, but they are not heavy at all. This is such a light piece to own, and I think it goes so well on my outfit and my ring. So let me like combine these together and toss these on right now. And voila! How pretty are these, right? And those of you who know me know that I have so many different shades of pink in my wardrobe, whether it's my footwear or my dresses or outfits or any other Indian look. I have so many shades of pink, and these babies right here combined together actually will go on so many different shades of pink outfits that I own. Radiant pieces to own this monsoon or to jazz up your wardrobe. Seriously, I really like dainty small earrings to have like travel companions, because they are, first of all, small, yet they make a bigger statement. And I am reaching out to a lot of small dainty pieces when I'm traveling, because I can just toss them in however I feel like. These set of earrings that you see are again symbolizing a lot of fun colors and happy times to me, because these will again suit and go on so many different pieces or outfits options that you have. But one particular look that I have in mind is a long baby pink coat. I know I keep saying baby pink or pink because that's the color of my soul. Put up with me, but you'll see me wearing these or these, one of the two, on a really long baby pink coat that I am teaming up with harem pants. And I'm shooting that look on a location which I am headed to tomorrow. So the video will be live I think tomorrow. So now, as of now, I'm headed out somewhere and I'm carrying these babies with me when I'm traveling. So keep a lookout for that. So this was my unboxing and review of the Rainbow Radiance August edition box by Bling bag, and I'm in love with the bucket storage bag. This baby is going right into my travel bag where I'm traveling with, and it's going to be so handy. It's so huge. I just want to take a moment and show you the inside of it. Just look at it, how spacious it is. It also has the brushes and makeup section for you to hold it all together so nicely, and it comes with a smaller pouch as well, so you know, all your tops, all these small earrings that can go right in just like so. This is such a unique subscription box, because every month they put together such beautiful baubles and pieces, whether it's the travel edition or the Rainbow Radiance edition. Truly kudos to Team Bling bag for putting together such amazing pieces of baubles for us girls to don and make the best of our OOTDs. So this is me signing off. If you'd like me to do more such unboxing videos, make sure to like, share, subscribe the video, and keep coming back for more.